After you signing in to your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com, to add Form 1099, you need to add self-employment income on TurboTax, and to do that, click on this Federal button at the left side of your screen. Then click on Wages and Income just below it. Now you want to choose on Wages and Income Summary, which will take you to this page, and you want to scroll down a bit until you see Self-Employment section. Then click on it and hit on Start button. On this page, you may just scroll down. Then hit the Yes button. Right here, you may insert your type of self-employment, and if you have more than one self-employment work, you want to insert the other's work on different form than this. So make sure to add it one by one. For example, I have two types of self-employment, a video editor and as babysitter. Then on this first form, I gotta add the video editor first. After that, click on Continue button. Then TurboTax will ask you some question regarding your self-employment work. You may answer it according to the work that you do. I'm going to answer it according myself, so feel free to skip this part. The only important thing is to answer the question suitably, so TurboTax can help you to filing the taxes. Until you reaching this window, which basically contain all the info from TurboTax question beforehand. You may edit them as you like if there are anything that's not suitable yet for you. After you are good with all the information, you may click on Looks Good button at the bottom right of the screen. And here is the crucial part, where you have to input the income that you got. For me is what income do I got from the prior year as a video editor. If you ever felt unsure on what 1099 form that you should fill in, you may click on every question mark besides every form to check on what type of form are more suitable for you. 15. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.